motivated. Ain't tryna be no overachiever. Wheezing, sneezing, coughing all day. Sounds like y'all just need to stay away.
Not much to do on quarantine, but stay in the house and keeping myself clean. We're gonna make it through this like a team. We can stick together like a big machine.
The first staying in was cool, but now it's getting in the way of school. Quarantine has me doing some TikToks, but all I want to do is get me some drip drops.
My mama's looking for a sanitizer and some wipes, but there doesn't seem to be any in sight. There's a guy over here looking for some tissues, but it's seeming more and more people having these issues. Stores claim they have all the supplies, but we know that this is all lies. Toilet paper be out of stock. Everybody watching this show's like a hawk.
Gloves, shields, gowns, and masks are some supplies you need. That all counts towards PPE. We gotta be wearing for the simplest task. If you don't have, just have to act. Like teachers that get you smarter. Since COVID-19, doctors have to work harder.
Time to head back into school. Me and everyone knows this will be cruel. Hope you brought your extra mask. Don't forget your high jump flask.
5, 6, ready.
So many precautions need to take action. Quick, to obtain satisfaction. We have mask breaks during the day. We're divided in two, called Scarlet and Gray. Yeah, I'm having harsh feelings about COVID-19. It's hard to breathe. Been quarantined for 14 days. Getting anxious to get through the maze. Frustrated, can't find a way out. I just want to give a big, big shout.
We gotta stay strong. It's been around way too long. Keep your head up, keep your head up, keep your head up. Stay 6 feet while it's running through the streets. Stay 6 feet while it's running through the streets. Stay 6 feet while it's running through the streets. Keep your head up, keep your head up, keep your head up. Stay 6 feet while it's running through the streets.